this is a relatively short street, but it comes up to one oasis, and it's also next to this Macau University of Science and Technology, like a laboratory area. Just to give you some context, the sunset would be over there and the ocean would be like 1 block away. And we're gonna walk up towards one oasis. So stay tuned for that. Let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So this is a little slice of Koloan in Macau, Mangueiras. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So Mangueiras, that's Macau University of Science and Technology, and I think it's kind of like a laboratory. Not 100% sure. But you can see one oasis is all these tall apartments directly ahead of us. And let me just kind of walk like that. So yeah, all of these are pretty large. There's like 3-4 stories in them, quite big. And then to the left and to the right is all factories, and then to the left is all part of Must University of Science and Technology. And one oasis, maybe I better get out of the road there. This Must is, the main campus is in the Cotai Strip area. And so it's kind of interesting they have this like laboratory science kind of stuff over here. Oh, and then straight ahead is something called Generations. Generations is an international school. So I think this street is quite short, but I do want to document all the different streets. Also, I'm curious about these trees. So in this area, a lot of these streets are named after trees. And I don't know if these trees are planted here and they're the same as the street name or not. But if somebody wants to check, they have these QR codes that say exactly where they're from. So if you want to QR code that right now, maybe like make a mention of where those are from. And granted, there are different trees, so maybe, you know, there could be the one that's named after us, after our street. Okay, so that's the Generations International School, and there's a middle school in there too. Our target street is this, Mangueiras. That's our street. Way in the distance, you can see some smoke, maybe a factory, and then over there, I can see another building that's part of, I think it's part of the University of Macau, which would be across the ocean, the waterway over here. And then this one, oh, Puching Middle School. I was curious where that was at exactly. So yeah, Puching Middle School is right here. That's like kind of known as one of the better schools in Macau for kids, for the Chinese programs. So yeah, Puching Middle School right there. And then the Generations, I think is right there. And then a lot of expats would be living in all these apartments here. So that was our target street right there, and kind of a small street, but I wanted to capture it nonetheless, just to capture as much as I can of yeah, Generation School. Okay, so that's another slice of Macau anyways. I'll end it right there.